Feeling stuck on Etsy SEO? Here's what you need to know. You've probably heard that SEO is important for getting your products found on Etsy, but it can feel overwhelming. What keyword should you use? How does the algorithm actually work? And why aren't your listings showing up? The good news is Etsy SEO doesn't have to be complicated. Here's a simple breakdown of what it is, why it matters, and the key steps to help your shop get seen by more buyers. So, what is Etsy SEO? Search engine optimization is how you help Etsy understand what your listings are about so they can show them to the right shoppers. When you use relevant keywords in your titles, tags, and descriptions, you're telling Etsy, hey, this is what my product is, and increasing your chances of appearing when someone searches for that type of item. But why does SEO matter? Because Etsy Search is where new customers find you for free. Unlike social media, where you have to keep posting to stay visible, a well optimized listing can keep bringing in shoppers day after day without extra effort. If you're not showing up in search, you're missing out on potential sales. How to optimize for Etsy search. Firstly, find the right keywords, but don't overthink it. The best keywords describe your product in words a shopper would actually type into search. Use tools like eRank's keyword tool to see what people are searching for and choose a mix of high traffic and niche keywords, but make sure they always describe what you're selling. Use those keywords in your listing. Put your most important keywords at the start of your title, in your tags, and naturally in your description. Etsy doesn't read your tags in order and can mix and match all the words in your titles, tags, and attributes to match for a shopper's searches. So use all 13 tags wisely and don't just use single word tags. Try not to duplicate too many words across your tags, but where you can, try and use phrases that make sense. Create listings that convert. SEO gets you seen, but great photos get you clicked on, and clear descriptions can help you make sales. Etsy wants to show listings that shoppers engage with, so high quality images and a compelling description help you rank higher over time. Etsy also lets us know that shipping price is considered as a ranking factor in the US, but remember, you still have to factor in your shipping price somewhere in your listing. Your whole shop can impact your rank. Etsy favours shops with filled out policies that ship on time and have good reviews. It's not enough just to get the sales. The customers have to have a great experience with you, and Etsy has to trust you're not a problematic shop. Test, learn, and adjust. SEO isn't a one-time thing. Keep an eye on what's working, check your stats, swap out underperforming keywords, and make small tweaks based on what's bringing in traffic. But remember to leave listings long enough to get enough data before making changes, and don't change your best performing listings. Etsy SEO doesn't have to be complicated. At its core, Etsy SEO is about making sure that Etsy and shoppers understand what you're selling. Use the right keywords, create a listing that attracts clicks, and keep refining as you go. The more visible you are in search, the more potential customers can find and buy your products without you having to chase them down.